beside your body. Squeezing your chest, leg. Okay, so step back lunge, holding the bands up nice and tall, and it makes it a little bit easier until you get that core nice and strong and you're able to do it. A little bit, put 2 feet on it, keep your elbows in front of you, and curling up, just like so. Curling up, and just doing a squat like so. So you just hold this plank, it's a 30-second plank, just like so. Or you can make it from your toes. Just tuck your toes up under and hold your body nice and stiff like a board. Today, I'm going to be teaching you a 15-minute beginner resistance band full body workout. Are you ready?
One shot, now the future is yours. Go!
So, we're gonna start off. I'm gonna wrap this around a tree, and this is gonna be a resistance band row. So you want a nice tall back. You're gonna hold a squat position, so you're gonna be leaning back a little bit, but keeping your back nice and tall, and just rowing your hands beside your body. Okay, so this is a resistance band row. See how controlled I am? So you want to be pulling it back hard, controlling it on the way out. So pulling back hard, controlling it on the way back out. You want to keep your elbows nice and tucked in beside you. The second exercise is going to be a resistance band chest press. So this is like a bench press. So like as if you'd be laying down on a bench. So you want the same thing, nice and tall. I'll stagger my steps so that way it gives me the ability to kind of keep, you know, a good base below me. So if I had my feet like this, sometimes I'd be falling back or forward. But so we're gonna go ahead and do a chest press. So elbows up and just pressing up and somewhat together, okay? Squeezing your chest. So if you want to make this easier, you would move back closer to the tree, so less resistance on the actual band itself. If you want to make it harder, you would move further away from the tree or whatever you have this hooked into. All right, so that's your resistance band chest press. So we're gonna do a step back lunge using a resistance band now. You'll leave the band on the actual tree, so this is gonna help you to do your lunge. So it's gonna help pull you back up. So it's keeping less pressure on your knee. So if your legs aren't that strong yet, it's okay. This is gonna help you to stand back up, and it's gonna also help you to stay on your heel while you're doing the step back lunge. So step back lunges are one of the easiest lunges for your knee. Another way to do this is standing on the band. This is to make it more difficult, and you're gonna step back, and now the band is adding resistance to your leg. Okay, so step back lunge, holding the bands up nice and tall, like so. Step back, lunging down. All right? And then the next one is going to be a torso twist or abdominal twist using a resistance band. So you're gonna be horizontal with the tree or parallel with the tree. So you're facing this way, and you're literally just twisting your body away from the tree. And you can go, oh my God, that's so hard. I got both handles here. It was super difficult, but guess what? If you need to make it a little easier, you just pass the one handle through the other handle. Now you've got only one handle, one band, and it makes it a little bit easier until you get that core nice and strong and you're able to do it. All right, so you would do that, and you turn to the other side and just twist the other way also. So those are your first 4 exercises. So we've got, you've got your row, your chest press, you've got your torso twist, and your lunge, all right? So you would go through that 2 sets, 15 reps. It would take probably like 6 minutes. That way you got time for a water break in between. And then we move into the second circuit of exercises. So what we would do is it's gonna be a banded bicep curl or bicep curl using a resistance band. You can do this a little bit, put 2 feet on it, keep your elbows in front of you, and curling up, just like so. Curling up. If it's too difficult, 1 foot on it, and curling up. Just like anything, it's got less resistance on the band itself. The next one's gonna be an overhead. So standing overhead tricep press using a resistance band. One way would just be letting it fall to the ground. You're gonna step on the band as far up as you wanna make it tight. You're just gonna go behind your body and keep those elbows in nice and tight and going straight up. So your hands are going down behind your head, keeping your spine nice and aligned, and going straight up with your overhead tricep press. All right, the next one is going to be doing a squat using the resistance bands. So you would just take these bands, shoulder width apart, stepping on it. You always want to make sure they're nice and equal. Okay, you're gonna wrap it around behind your shoulders. So wrap it behind your shoulders. Keep your elbows up. Helps to keep the bands on your shoulders. And just doing a squat like so. So this is like having the bar on your back. So this is your banded, this is your squat using a resistance band. And then the last one, which is like the mother of all exercises, the plank, all right? So I got this mat out. Beginner way to do a plank is laying down. You would tuck your feet up. I'm sure you see my nice dirty feet there. And you would do these from your knees. The goal is to keep yourself nice and straight. Okay, so you would just hold this plank. It's a 30-second plank, just like so. Or you can make it from your toes. Just tuck your toes up under and hold your body nice and stiff like a board. All right, so those are your next 4 exercises. That's our circuit. So we have 2 circuits. Both of them are 2 sets through 15 reps each exercise. This is your 15-minute workout for beginners. So this is a 15-minute workout or beginner workout using resistance bands as a full body workout. Again, in case you didn't know, I'm Brent Kasmer. I've been doing this for a long time, and I just would love to, just help you get a better education of, not feel like you have to go to the gym, and you can get a great workout at home. So, all right, stay tuned. We do have links in there at the bottom for resistance bands. I know it's crazy times right now. We have links on there for the ones that we've been paying attention to because, they've been sold out pretty much on all the other different things. So just go ahead and click the link. We can get you the bands also. All right, see you in the next video.